Hello, this is for you if you already have a ScoreApp account and you wish to add us in as a partner to help build a quiz or a scorecard or an assessment for you inside your own account. So when you log in, you will come to your dashboard, and on your dashboard, you will see the account settings, and then go to users and permissions. And over here, you will see the partners. Go to add a partner, and I will give you my agency ID account number. So add that in, click find, and you will see us listed here. Over here, you can choose the setting or basically the access that you wish to grant to us. You can select a particular scorecard you'd like us to work on, or alternatively, click on all current and future scorecards, and we can actually build a new scorecard in your account for you. So I hope this explains how to add us into your ScoreApp account as a partner, and we look forward to working with you and building out your next scorecard.